Terminator swap finally is popping off. And like I said, when I told you we were going to do this, I'm super excited about this because we've never done it. Yes, we did kind of do a Terminator. It wasn't necessarily a swap, but we did the Mach 1. But this is everything. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun. It's also not even close to stock. Tons of badass mods on it, which is going to make this thing pretty badass. So let's get into it. There it is. Got it? Yeah, I got it. Watch out for flying dust. Yeah. I bet you made that. Yeah, I made it too. And I did. That. There it is.
Where I'm gonna put it. There it is.
You got that fancy trans cooler. Put that to use on something.
Sticks all here, you know.
Look, you did a hell of a job on them brackets now.
Every now and then, huh?
I like it.
Every now and then I do something right.
Ooh, ain't that fancy. And so small. Look, this one's bigger.
Longer.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's... I bet we didn't get any brackets, huh?
No, of course not.
We're supposed to use stock Cobra brackets, but...
zip ties and bungee straps.
Yeah.
I don't know. That ain't like a stock.
No,
See,
it ain't.
The tubes come out the end.
Yeah, those go front and back. This one's an AFCO.
Yeah, this is stock
Yeah.
style.
Well, how's that gonna work? Because those are both on one side.
Maybe this is a box body one. Huh.
Yeah, I guess. Who knows?
Maybe you just bought that for me to just have to figure out.
Just to make life more difficult. Like, it didn't even have... It's got different brackets and everything. Or mount points. Yeah, what's that thing say?
It says 03 auxiliary radiator.
Auxiliary.
304 Cobra auxiliary radiator.
Okay. Yeah, because those are very different. All right, guys, so real quick, let's go over everything that's going in the car. Of course, we got brand new 3.0 Whipple FIC injectors. This is the motor we were waiting on. I don't really know what all's been done to it. I know it's rebuilt, but I don't know if it's got anything better. Of course, the Terminators do come with manly rods and all that stuff, which is a good thing. Fully built. This is the old school style T56, but it's got the 26 spline input shaft, all of that good stuff. Of course, got the UPR head cooling mod. That's already on there. And 1 7/8 ARH headers. So running the car, he's picked up the Holly, which we got all that here. So that's gonna be... It's going to be interesting figuring all this out. I mean, it's not a big deal. But yeah, so it's going to be run on the Holly. And this is the Terminator X mod motor. So a couple of other items we've got over here. Of course, got the AFCO heat exchanger. He's got the Bear brake kit. Pretty sure it's front and rear. Then of course 03 Cobra tank with the Aeromotive A1000. Got the entire fuel system for it. Yeah, boys, we got a lot of stuff, and I mean a lot. And of course, he got all his bridge and all of that powder coated, all the little baby brackets and stuff, which those are gonna look good. Mandatory Stifler's cross member. You gotta have the Stifler's cross member. And then he's got some Metco stuff here. All kinds of billet goodies in there. Not sure what pulleys we're going to be running yet. And then just like MMR oil cooler. That's more Whipple parts. Remember what pulley this is. He's got a couple of these, so I'm not exactly sure which one we're going to run. Ooh, pretty. And then under the dash, and I had never heard of this either, ironically called under dash hydraulics. It's a hydraulic kit. Look at this, it's called literally under dash, but it's going to be a hydraulic clutch setup. Never fooled with one, so we'll let you know on that one. All right, boys, we're going to have to switch gears a little bit. Thought we had everything. We were going to go ahead and drop the motor in the car today, and we do not. We're missing quite a bit of stuff. As you can see, we're slowly slogging through the front end of this motor. We got all kinds of custom trick billet VMP goodness. But yeah, we've got a bunch of parts we got to get still, because we don't have header bolts. We're missing a couple pulleys from the front. We're trying to get the entire engine assembled before we get in the car. So we're going to switch gears a little bit, and we'll be back on this here shortly. Alright, so switching gears a little bit, we have yet to drive the pace car since Ken down at HPR got it all tuned, alignment done. Like, we're gonna be saying goodbye to this thing.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
It sounds great. It's running great. Got a little, it's cool this morning in Tennessee. We're loving it. Alright, so we have to get her on the 4-lane.
Real street tires too, you know. Yeah.
On street tires,
Yeah,
don't play with it.
You don't want to go for a problem. That's kind of pedaling in there, you know.
It's so, man, it broke loose as soon as you hit it. Jeez. It pulled.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Paddle shifter.
That's sick.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Just like my car, that 10-speed just works so good in a Fox, well, anything. Huh. Yeah, no pedal shifting, just to kind of see how it does. Okay, yeah. This thing's nuts.
It needs a good tire, don't it?
Because it only did, what, 640? What did it? I can't remember exactly.
Yeah, it was over 6. I don't think it was a lot over 6, but it was over 6.
Yeah. The dyno video's here on the channel, and we had
It's not as cool as this either.
yeah, at all. It's very cool today. We had a lot of people saying, oh, in mid 600s, guys, you just do not understand.
It's a handful.
Yeah. This car is what, 2,900, 2,800 pounds?
Probably.
thing is nuts. Yeah, you don't even have time to respond. God, my. Look, I told you guys in the video, the ESS is a hell of a lot cheaper, but it delivers.
It's instant too, yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. Just a little wheel speed.
Third gear roll this time.
Roll third, yeah. We lost the dash pad.
That'll sit pretty
Woo!
nice.
How hard.
They right there and work good.
Now figured out with the paddles, you gotta shift early.
A little bit, but it ain't real bad.
Tell you guys, this is all you want. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is a job well done here.
It's really good.
Yeah. I'll be honest, guys, when I first saw the ESS, I really didn't know what to think about it. But now I'm gonna say they're legit.
Yeah,
like
it's good, yes.
it's a lot cheaper than some of the other supercharger options.
Of course, this is the first one we drove with.
Yeah, this is the
Anything.
very first swap we've ever done using it. Well, anything really.
Yeah, anything, yeah.
But man, I tell you what, this thing pulls.
Very nice unit.
And it's got a really clean look. And again, guys, if you saw the videos where we put this on, this is a kit for an S550. Now, obviously, we changed the charge pipes, but
Yeah, we changed the charge pipes because the cooler actually has the hoses on top.
right.
The S550, they just come out right here in top. So you got a little shorter. I just bought a 3.5-inch pipe kit.
And then
And
flip the
thing down so the tubes are in the bottom because you don't have room in the top up here.
Yeah, you can see
There's
there's
straight sticking through there too.
yeah. It's don't sleep on these guys. If you go watch Ken HPR's channel, I mean, they're making over 1,000 with these kits. They're 100% legit. Yeah, also, boys, the interior pretty much done. There's a few little odds and ends the owner's he's gonna be able to do when he gets to the house and kind of make it his own. But
Yeah, got the K designs.
oh yeah, got the K designs. Even got the I need one of these for mine. That looks nice.
Yeah, he had that, so I just put it back in here.
Yeah, K designs. So you got all your storage, just like the one that's in my car. Cleans all, and like the fit is just
Very nice, yeah.
it's so tight.
Mm-hmm.
Especially around all these curves, like that takes some doing there. And then door panels kind of spiffied up, looking good. Got the Corbo seats. Of course, you got the Dakota Digital paddle shifters. I mean, this has been a really long time, but man, results are worth it. If you guys have not gone and watched the video of this truck build, you need to go watch it. This was amazing. Still, I think one of the coolest start to finishes we've done. Keys in it?
Yep.
We need to do a cold start.
Oh, yeah.
A little cold start. Get ready.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, she's spicy. Yeah, you guys need to go see the transformation video of this truck. It's wild. Like, everything's working. Of course, got keyless entry and remote start. All works. Yeah. Just this truck is so cool. And we had Ken out the other day from HPR. He's gonna get a tune on it. Of course, the bare brakes, 4-wheel drive now, was a 2-wheel drive. You definitely need to go check that video out, because this was an amazing build. 2.7 EcoBoost to 5.0, 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. Then of course swapped it over to lariat interior. Man. All right, guys, that is pretty much the what. We got all mess going on right now. Ford takeover is upon us. I cannot wait to see you guys. You aren't going to want to miss it. We got so many badass cars. We got some celebrities coming. It's going to be one hell of a time. Get to see these cars at the show that we build here on the channel. It's going to be great. Terminator swap stuff coming soon. We got a bunch of parts on the way for it, so we're going to be dropping the drivetrain in it very shortly. You won't want to miss that. Or I'm excited. Just me. They'll say goodbye to the pace car. All kinds of stuff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please below drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.